Delicious homemade Lebanese rice meatballs, easy and affordable recipe for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today we have a fantastic recipe for you, homemade Lebanese rice meatballs. Not only are these meatballs bursting with flavors, but they are also affordable and perfect for beginners. So, let's dive right in. Let's start with the ingredients. Here's what you'll need for the Lebanese rice meatballs. 1 cup long grain white rice. 1 pound ground meat, beef or lamb. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1/4 cup fresh parsley, chopped. 1 teaspoon allspice. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Salt and pepper to taste. 1/4 cup vegetable oil for frying. 1 can, 14 ounces, crushed tomatoes. 1 cup chicken or vegetable broth. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's move on to the cooking process. Step 1, preparing the rice. Start by cooking 1 cup of long grain white rice according to the package instructions. Set it aside to cool. Step 2, preparing the meat mixture. While the rice is cooling, let's prepare the meat mixture. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 pound of ground meat, 1 finely chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon of allspice, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything together until well combined. Step 3, adding the cooked rice. Once your rice has cooled, add it to the meat mixture. The rice adds a wonderful texture to the meatballs and absorbs all the delicious flavors. Mix the rice with the meat until it's evenly distributed. Now, we're ready to shape our meatballs. Step 4, shaping the meatballs. Take a small amount of the mixture and roll it between your hands to form a meatball. You can make them as big or as small as you like. Repeat until all the mixture is used. Step 5, cooking the meatballs. Heat 1/4 cup of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the meatballs and cook until browned on all sides. This gives them a nice crispy exterior while keeping them juicy on the inside. Step 6, preparing the sauce. Now, let's prepare the sauce. In the same skillet, add 1 can of crushed tomatoes and 1 cup of chicken or vegetable broth. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Stir the sauce and let it simmer for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Step 7, cooking the meatballs in the sauce. Carefully place the meatballs back into the skillet with the sauce. Allow them to simmer in the sauce for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are cooked through. While the meatballs are simmering, the aroma in your kitchen will be absolutely incredible. And there you have it, homemade Lebanese rice meatballs. Easy, affordable, and perfect for beginners. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. These are absolutely delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy cooking. Thank you very much Lebanese rice meatballs lovers.